There's the star of the show. A mustard jigsaw tonight. So just having that in my mouth for the intro, the start of this video, I could taste heat. I can smell the heat coming off this pepper. Now look, I didn't cut it open or do anything because I know this is going to be a mean boy. But I can, you know, a lot of peppers you'll see me smelling them, and I can't smell too much. This smells hot. It has that super hot smell coming just straight off of it, and it's a gorgeous looking pepper. Again, this is a mustard jigsaw from Linda's Fiery Treats. Again, thank you. So I had reviewed Linda's two of her other jigsaws, so I figured she sent me this one. I'm gonna wash it real quick. I forgot to wash it before I came out, so you have to forgive me. Yeah, just rinse it off a little bit with some bottled water. So I figured, what the hell, I gotta try this. Plus mustard's my favorite, and plus I've never had a mustard jig, so today's the first go at it. No time like the present. It's pretty cool. It looks like a pickle to me. You know, down here toward the bottom it has some bumpy, rigid edges, some little pimples and stuff. So it's a pretty interesting pepper. There's some red kind of up there at the top, like a reddish brownish color. Then it gets into more of a mustard, and then more of a greenish kind of pickle on that side. Interesting pepper. So cheers, folks. Yeah, too hot. Oh, all right. She warm. Whew. She warm. Attacking the tongue pretty good. Not much of a mouth burn so far, though. It's pretty much in the throat right here. Man, it's attacking the throat pretty good. Ooh, I haven't had pepper burps in a while, or hiccups, so. Yep, there they are. Man, oh man, she's burning pretty good. It's a hot pepper. Just trying to control the breathing right now. Stop it from getting any worse. It's hot. My eyes are watering. I'll show you in a minute. My head's on fire. It's now burning the saliva glands under the tongue. She warm. It's building. It's getting hotter. It's a creeper. It's getting hotter. Man, that's hot. That one's hot. Good burn though, good rush. It's just really hitting the back of the throat down here. Really hard. I don't think it's done burn. I don't think it's done building yet either. We're 3 minutes into the burn. Whew. That's a hot one. This eye is watering super bad. Hasn't started leaking out of the eyes yet though. My nose is running though. This is a great burn though. This pepper's good. I might have touched my eye. I don't know what's going on. I can't even open it right now. There might be some on this. It's hot. Might have had pepper on my hands and shit since in this towel. Since breakfast, I made breakfast this morning and chopped up quite a few pods, just habaneros and serranos for breakfast. So been feeling it on my face all day though. We got a little bit dripping here. So there's a 5-minute burn. I'm gonna let it ride a little longer here though, because this pepper just started climbing down. So it took damn near the 5-minute burn. It was still peaking. So I'm gonna give it another few minutes and just wow, incredible pepper, incredible. Oh, it's a good burn on that. Feels nice. Settling in the stomach really nice. Man, that's a good burning pepper. Not much to talk about here. This pepper's just burning hard, hitting hard. It's very good pepper. Very, very good. This is a favorite of mine now. I've been thinking about making a mustard powder and a mustard tincture. Just not quite sure if I wanted to do them with a mixture of mustard pods, so different ones, or try to get enough of one variety. So this is up there with what I would like to use. This has got a great burn to it. It crept a little bit. It burnt longer than your average super hot pepper, in my opinion. We'll go 2 more minutes, give it a 10-minute burn. That's a solid burn time for this pepper. I'm watering, my eyes are watering. Not a lot, not a heavy flow. Heavy flow. A lot of saliva, a lot of spit. There's some cotton mouth in the throat. The burn back here finally went away, but that was a solid throat burn for most of that entire thing. From the moment I took the first bite of that pepper, it just boom. I don't know what it was. It was the fumes coming off of it, I think is what it was. I haven't really experienced much fumes like that with a pepper, fresh like that. But I think I may just have for the first real time, because like I was saying earlier in the video, I could smell the heat and the oils and the capsaicin and whatever just coming off of that pepper as I smelled it without cutting it open. All I did was wash it a little bit. And then when I took that first bite, I think I got fumes just straight to the back of the throat. Very interesting. Never really had that before. I don't know what else to call it but fumage. You know, it's almost like when you're cooking with peppers and making powders and making things and cooking with them, especially. The fumes, they aerate, and man, I think that's the first time I ever got something like that. And I've eaten a lot of different and a lot of hot peppers and a lot of not hot peppers as well. So yeah, awesome. We're at 13 minutes. Let's get some water. Let's get this video. Let's get you people back to your life. Man. And the way this pepper and the burn is just kind of coming down now, super natural, feeling really well. I may get some cramps off of this a little bit later. It's possible, because one of the other peppers I did, I don't remember which one, I'd have to look back, it was an orange one, I don't remember, and it was one of the most recent ones. It was, you know, 5-6 peppers ago. I'll look at it, but nonetheless, that pepper, it didn't burn as hard as this, okay, in the video, right? Wasn't expecting much, and an hour or so later, boom, a few waves of cramps set in, and then went away. This may do the same thing. I mean, right now it's perfect. The stomach is perfect. The burn is perfect. It's subsiding quite a bit, but really nicely. This pepper built really nice, and it's tapering off really nice at a very gradual and slow process. Just fantastic. If anybody wants to try super hot peppers, you're not sure what to get, I don't know if I'd go straight for this one, but if you've already experienced with ghost pepper, even maybe a Trinidad Moruga scorpion, those hit harder on the tongue. It's a different burn. This is a different burn than that, though. Maybe hotter, I'll be honest. It is hotter than a scorpion. But So if you've experienced, burns like that, this is a great pepper to get at next. I think any mustard flavor pepper is an ultimate go-to. I think they're good starter peppers. I didn't start with them. Shit, I didn't know about them until years into the game. I was honestly scared of them, to be honest. I was like, ooh, I don't know. And then I watched some certain chili heads in the groups and on YouTube and Facebook, guys that I've followed for a while and interacted with on social media. A couple of them I've actually met. So they've all kind of said similar things. That they're great characteristic flavored burn type peppers. They're just fantastic. Bar none, my favorite type of pepper is any mustard variety. So anyways, enough of me yapping. Enjoy the weekend, people.